What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to show you guys how to bypass a padlock. There's a lot of ways online that simply don't work and I'm going to show you why. Let's do this. So in order to bypass a lock, you need to understand how it works first. Now if you were to bypass it on just one side, which is what everybody's teaching you guys how to do, it simply doesn't work for the majority of the locks. Now this one here is a cheap lock. Obviously it's a clear one. That's used for demonstration. However, on the majority of locks, you'll find that you'll need to bypass it on both ends, and I'll show you guys why. So a lot of people have been bypassing it on one end and simply the lock will pop up and yeah, it's a great video, but if you try it yourself, it actually won't work. So if we have a look, as I turn the key on this lock, you'll see that there's actually a notch on both sides. So we've got this side here and this side here where it's spring loaded. This side here will pop up the lock. This side here is the side that will actually spin around. So if we have a look, as I turn the key, you can see that one side is moving. So we've got the left side, which is what everybody's been bypassing. Okay, so as I turn that around, keep your eyes on the right hand side. Right here, you'll see that this will actually spring back as well. And then you'll see that there's a notch on this side. So if I'm to turn that key, notch on the left, and there's a notch on the right hand side. So as I turn that, you can see there's movement on both sides. So here's the first notch that we bypass, and there's the second notch that we bypass. Now if you only bypass one, it won't come undone. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it so that we can bypass this lock properly. So to bypass this lock, we're going to get rid of the key. It's locked, ready to go, and we're going to be using these little bypass shims. Okay, you can get these for a few dollars online. Really handy tool to just keep around with you. So you want to get your first shim in, simply slot that straight in. Once that's in position, you can see there that it's completely bypassed that notch. Now what we need to do is concentrate on the second notch. Okay, remembering that this is a spring-loaded lock, so that means that there's a bit of tension on this mechanism up on top. So if we squeeze that top section of the lock, squeeze the body of it, you can see that it releases the tension. So as I put the shim in on the second one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press down on that lock, release that tension. Okay, making sure that everything's released as much as possible. The shim should slot straight into position. You'll find that the majority of videos, as they put in one shim, bang, magically it opens up. It's not going to happen the majority of times. You will need two shims. Okay, so as we go through, slot it through, put a bit of tension on the top, release that pressure, slot it all the way down, and that's how you do it, guys. So you might find that it starts to get a bit stuck as you go down. That's because it's getting stuck on that little notch right here. So what you want to do is just pull it hard up against the body, and that'll pop out just like that. So there you have it, guys. That's how to open up a lock using the bypass tool. Very, very easy. You can even make your own little tools. I've seen a few videos, people using Coke cans and battery packs, so you guys can try that out yourselves. If there's anything else you guys want to learn how to do, put it in the comment section below. As always, like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.